Hello friends, in this video you will see how we can compute x to the power y. So take the input from user for variable x, enter value for x and convert it into numeric value. For variable y, take the input from user, enter value for y. Now I want to calculate x to the power y in variable result. So we can use this power symbol or exponent, which will calculate the power. Enter value for x2. So x to the power y is 8. You can use power function also in place this operator. The power function will take two arguments, first is x and second is y, which is raised to the power x. Which will gives you the same result. Now let's compute how to calculate compound interest. So receive the input for principal amount, and for rate in numeric value, receive the input and display message to user, enter value for rate, and for time so the formula to calculate compound interest is principal amount multiplied by power. In the same manner, x to the power y, power function will take only two arguments. So the variable x, you can say 1 plus r divided by 100, which is x. And the second variable for time. So it will calculate your amount and for compound interest subtract principal amount from the value amount and display your result. by showing a text message from variable ci. So here you can see principal amount multiplied by power x to the power y, as we have done in previous program, 1 plus r divided by 100 to the power t. Let's see the result. One parenthesis is missing. This is for one argument, and for power function here it is closed, and for single value multiplied by principal amount for this. Run it now. Principal amount is 1000 and rate is 5% and time is for 2 years. So my compound interest is 102.5. That's it. Thank you for watching the video.